The VOGE 125R is equipped with a new engine from the first bolt to the last and is characterized by extremely compact volumes. The 124.8 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with double overhead camshaft distribution is naturally Euro 5 approved and delivers 14.1 horsepower at 9,500 rpm and 12.1 Nm at 8,000 rpm. The design is completed by the driver's seat, designed to guarantee maximum habitability and ergonomics, and the passenger seat, which offers a wide and comfortable surface without spoiling the stylish lines of the motorcycle. 17-inch alloy wheels with yellow or blue rim stripes make this small 125 even more visible and eye-catching. Our 125R comes well equipped with an excellent inverted fork with a centered axis, which combines with a shock absorber in a very inclined position at the rear axle. There is a brake system consisting of discs on both axles with double-piston and single-piston calipers, accompanied by an independent dual-channel ABS modulator. The entire lighting system is equipped with LED technology, including a single optical headlight covering the low and high beams, and dense eyebrow guides for the DRL daytime running light. The indicators are entrusted to a digital color LCD screen with a negative character, white on a black background, and a typical racing look. It is a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that provides the power limit for the A1 license with a maximum power of 15 HP and a maximum torque of 12.1 Nm.